A very wise mediator once said to me that mediation is just the conversation we should have had a long time ago. And I think that is a really good perspective to bring into a mediation, because essentially it is just about communicating in a way that is best for everybody involved in the situation. As it says in the title, the first thing is information. It's gathering the basic facts of who you are, where you are, what you have in terms of children, mortgage, so very basic details, but just to get the start of a picture. The assessment part is if there are any issues that may mean that mediation may not be best and right for you. So the first joint session can be done either online, if that's how you want to do it, or it can be done in person. And this is the first opportunity that you both have to hear the other person and to be heard by the other person. And it's very much about discussing what the issues are, what your main concerns are, and just starting to shape the process of what the priorities are going to be, what's going to be discussed over the course of the mediation, and how we're going to break it down. So then from that first session, the issues will have been identified, and that then takes us into the next steps, which are the next sessions, however many there may be. And again, that varies a lot. The sessions are anywhere between an hour and 2 hours, and probably you'd end up with somewhere between 4 and 6 sessions. And the next sessions will be much more practical, and it'll be about gathering information. So if finances are involved, gathering the financial information that's required, details of a mortgage, details of savings, income, whatever it is, everything gets disclosed. So I have 3 main pieces of advice that I would give you. The first is to think very carefully before you go into the mediation about what it is that you want to say. The second is to listen, because you want to be heard as well, so to listen. And the third is to be open-minded.